So we're in Ponta Delgada in the Azores, and we're up in the garden area of the Presidential Palace, which is down there. We're going to get to it in just a minute. But I just wanted you to see this covered walkway. This is big wisteria vine or vines. Notice the chain across there. Don't go. I don't know if you can see lizards out there, but there's 10 lizards right there moving around. Did you see him then? Oh, there's more. Oh, he's lost his tail. Anyway, back to the walkway. We're going to head down towards the palace. We're at the top of the botanical garden, or palace grounds, and we're going to go down, back to the street. Look at these flowers. I'll kind of take a walk through the garden here. And I guess the walk through the garden is this way. Look at the plants on top of that building. So these are the presidential greenhouses or whatever. See that? Now, if you look through the trees, you'll see the red and white building. Reddish. Anyway, that's the palace. Go under this tree, and here's the presidential herbs and spices, and the presidential roses. Presidential visitors. And keep the ground covered. I'm going to head straight towards the palace, but there's an arrow there saying I can't go to it this way. I'll try to give you a glimpse. That's it. So we're going to go down and around. So, hey, I put a bird on that guy's head. So they want us to go this way rather than that way. So we will. Look at those. According to the map they gave us, oh, they turned around. Those guys were headed the wrong way, but now they're headed the right way. The map says don't walk along there, don't walk along the building, but rather walk down here and then over that way. So according to the map, I can go right to here, and then they want me to go down here. Not in the front right there, but go to this path and walk and then down the middle. And so I'm going to. So you can get a good look at the building from a distance. There in the garden, and here's the presidential palace, and they tell us not to walk right in front of it but down here instead. But Janet's yelling something at me, so I'm going to have to stop here when I get to the middle. But you should see what we got here. More gardens. Although they need to plant some more, don't they? Well, if you look behind us, you'll see the presidential palace, and you look in front of us, you'll see the lake. And that's the wall way down there. See the car go by? That's the street. Janet says, uh-oh. So the map showed going over there to the right, but there was a tree in the way. So I'm guessing we're okay here. I don't know.
No.
Janet says no.
Just stay this way.
Janet says stay this way. So from the Azores and the presidential palace, Port Monkey's out.
See you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.